Throughout history, artists were nothing without their tools. Mozart had a piano, Michelangelo had his paints, and now you have the secret weapon to laying down the sickest beat since the Spanish flu. Introducing Dr. Drum, the newest bass-thumping beatmaker to hit the market that works on both PC and Mac. Why spend hours learning complicated music theory when Dr. Drum lets you lay down your beats and samples that'll rival all the greats who use professional studios in a matter of minutes? Our 12-pad drum machine comes complete with a huge database of professionally mastered sounds and lets you lay down a thumping bass line in seconds. Thousands more samples await when you open up our 4-octave keyboard and start adding in your piano, synth, effects, organ, strings, and more. You can even import your own sounds with one click. Bring it all together on our 16-track sequencer, where you can copy, move, edit, and delete bars, then tweak each setting for that perfect sound. You'll be making sick beats in no time. Get it today for a massive discount by clicking the link in the description. Dr. Drum. Let's get this party started.